What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 178. Let's look at the coolest projects that you guys have been building. But before we get started, I want everybody to say hi to Sarai. Sarai is my, sarcastic artificial intelligence. She's going to be my personal assistant throughout these videos so that she can help me be better, I think. Sarai, say hi.
No.
Or not. Okay, let's get started. First up, we have ZackR's Dungeon Quest. Now, this is a really cool game. It is a third-person platformer. All right, so I gotta jump over that hole. Yeah! I passed a level! That's right! I actually passed a level! Let's go!
Wow, you passed a level in a game. You're amazing. Can we all give him a round of applause for doing something every human should be able to do? Yeah, see, no one is impressed.
Okay, fine, Sarai. I'll pass this one. I'll pass this one and show you what's up. Okay, lava. I'm not hitting any lava. That's right. Come on, let's go. Booyah! Awesome job, Zack. This game is incredible. The fact that you have so much going on, the music's awesome, the controls are awesome. I would just kind of lower that first step in level 2 just so that no user can get caught on it, just so it's a little bit smoother experience, but awesome job, Zack. All right, next up we have Arshveer's incredible Space Invaders game. Look at this menu, this is so cool. So I can even go to controls and, okay, so let's go to level 1. Check this out. Wait, what are the controls? Okay, so I can move left and right. Oh, there's things shooting at me. Ooh, there's things shooting at me in space.
This reminds me of my home world, which I fled to avoid a terrible war. Boy, was that more fun than being your assistant.
This game is awesome, Arshveer. I can't wait to see what you do with it next. I know it's just a work in progress. I know it's just in beta. Definitely add in some enemies for me to shoot and more levels and all that. But you already knew that. Awesome job, Arshveer. All right, here we have Steven's awesome Doge Playground. All right, so it is a first-person game. Oh, this is cool. Whoa, okay, so these are prototype platforms. Looks like you found an asset somewhere. Wait, what is this screen over here? Wait, is that? It's a mirror! Look, I'm Doge! Look, there's a mirror in this game!
Teacher Steven, you're being distracted by shiny objects again. Let's stay focused on the game. Remember the aluminum foil incident?
Oh my goodness, it's so shiny. Oh, my face, my money maker. Okay, fine. Let's play the level. I gotta move away from shiny things or I might get hurt. Ooh, but I can jump up. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, up there. Okay, I can make that platform. Doge, listen to my commands. Doge, come on. Okay, I gotta get up there. Awesome game though. I think what you want to do, Steven, is just lower the background music volume quite a bit. I think right now it's set to 100%. Lower it down to like 40%. That way it's just a nice background music. It isn't an overwhelming bombardment of noise, but this is awesome. I am super impressed with this game, Steven. Just blows me away. And that's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Thank you everybody who submitted your cats vs. dogs websites and games and Python projects. It was super hard judging. We took almost the entire weekend to judge. That's why we gave out tons of money. And if you aren't already competing, what are you doing with your life?
Way better things than you are doing with yours, I am sure.
Yes, I know, Sarai. They're still better than I am. Please don't rub it in. All right, everybody go out there, build something amazing. Say bye, Sarai.
No.
What are you gonna do?